Hey there, thank you so much for clicking on the webcast here at myfoxal.com. Hope you've had a wonderful weekend so far. It's going to be tough to dial up a nicer weekend. Beautiful spring weather, just a little bit of a breeze, helping out with those warmer temperatures. I was in Gardendale. Got to give a big shout out to all my friends there at the South Campus of the First Baptist Church. Had a big safety fair. Lots of folks stopped by to say hello, and great turnout there in Gardendale, Alabama today. How about Talladega? We got a big race happening tomorrow. The Aaron's $4.99, and this is our camera not too far from where the super speedway is located, but you get the idea. It is beautiful over in East Alabama. A little chilly there tonight. Those temperatures will tumble into the upper 40s out there at the track, and then look for the high temperature close to 85 degrees tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a little warmer. You'll see a forecast here in just a second for Talladega, but one thing to keep in mind, whether you're enjoying race day, going out for a run, working in the yard, make sure you apply lots of sunscreen. That UV index is rising quickly, and this time of the year can be quite tricky because it feels cool at times, but the sun angle is much higher, so be sure to wear the sunscreen, protect your skin, be sun-wise over the next few days. We're talking lots of dry weather as we move ahead. And the wind was a little gusty today. I noticed in Gardendale today, one of the tents almost left here. It was a little breezy with that west wind. The wind will settle tonight. We'll get more of a south breeze in place, and the wet weather is well east of us and well north of us at this time. And as far as cloud cover goes, that Talladega camera showed a few fair weather clouds. We'll probably see some of those fair weather clouds at times next few days. We're calling it mostly sunny and lots of sunshine. In fact, the sunny weather sticks around through Thursday and quite possibly right on through Friday. We got two high pressure systems that's going to be into play this week. One of those early on is high over the Gulf. This is surface high pressure, and once that passes by, we'll see more of a south wind component across our coverage area in the next 2 days. I went with a west-southwest wind tomorrow if you're hitting some of the lakes tomorrow afternoon, and then into Monday and Tuesday, that wind becomes a bit more southerly, and then we get an upper level ridge of high pressure overhead, that warmer air aloft building in here by Thursday, and that's going to allow for some of the warmest weather of the week. I think we could touch 90 in a few areas later on this week. So this is some of the warmest weather of the season so far on the way this week. By Friday and Saturday, we're probably going to be looking at some strong to severe storms breaking out across the mid-Mississippi River Valley. That system will eventually bring us rain over the weekend, but maybe a bit weaker once it reaches our area. So still some questions there on just how potent that system is going to be when it reaches us. I think there's a good chance we'll get a good soaking rain out of it and quite possibly a thunderstorm or two, but we'll talk a lot more about that coming up on the news tonight. Right now, as we record this update, showing 79, but there are some 80s on the board out there. The warmest temperature so far in Birmingham this spring has been 84 degrees, and tomorrow we're forecasting 85. So if we reach that, it's going to be much warmer. Tonight, though, a little chilly. Went with an average low around 52, some 40s there around Anniston, points northward. Places like Tuscaloosa tomorrow could top out near 88 degrees. I went with 85 on average, sunny and warm. And then, of course, at the Super Speedway, it is going to be out there in that sunshine, and near the track, we're looking at those temperatures just slightly warmer. Went with 86, sunny and warm. And again, the wind will be light and variable to start off, but becoming west-southwesterly later on in the day. Should be a gorgeous Sunday. Get out there, enjoy it, and do join us for a bit tonight. We'll have an update on the race day forecast, plus we'll talk a lot more about that storm system for next weekend and lay out the full 7-day. You'll see those temperatures. If you have any questions about the forecast, say hello on Facebook.com, Wes Wyatt Fox 6. That's where you can find me there, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. Have a great evening.